So problem number 7 looks kind of intimidating when you first check it out. We have this crazy looking equation right here. There's an m in the equation. We've got r popping up several different places within the equation. We've got capital N within the equation. So we've got a bunch of different variables here, and I guess there's also a p stuck here outside of that fraction. So if you read what we are told about the equation, the formula gives the monthly payments, represented by the variable m, needed to pay off a loan of p dollars at r% annual interest over n months. Which of the following gives p in terms of m, r, and n? So we want an equation that gives p. If you look at all of the options, even all of the options are solved for p. So if you don't get too worked up in how complicated this equation looks, it's actually not that bad of a situation, because if you think about what's happening between this fraction and the variable p, it's multiplication. We want to isolate p. So to isolate p, I would have to undo this multiplication. When I divide m by this crazy looking fraction, dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by a reciprocal. So what I'm going to have on the side of the equation with the m is I'm going to have this denominator change to the numerator, and the numerator within the original equation is going to be the denominator in that step where I multiply by the reciprocal. And if you look at the options, option B is what we have right here. So definitely weird, definitely a lot going on. Could have been a more difficult problem, but based on what we're asked to do with it, hopefully you realize it's not too bad.